If you're stressed about CAT 2024, then you need to watch this video. Now, chess is something that is really popular in India, and especially now there are a lot of Indians that are doing well at it. And you might have played chess. Now, how do we play? If you and I are playing chess, then we are sitting across the chessboard. Maybe you're white, maybe I'm black, and we are trying to play one at a time and trying to defeat the other person, of course. But there is one way in which chess is very similar to MBA entrance test. And even more important, there's one way in which chess is really different from MBA entrance test. So, what is that? Let's talk about the similarity first. Now, the way that I described is only one of the ways in which professional chess is played. There are multiple ways in which it can be played, and some of the common ones are your classic chess, similar to what I just told you. And then you have rapid chess, where you got to play fast, and blitz or your lightning chess, where you have to play even faster. So, what is the similarity with MBA entrance test? Now, your XAT exam is similar to classic chess, where we have 76 questions and almost 3 hours to do it, and a few relaxations, right? You can move around the sections, you can go with your best strategy. Rapid chess is similar to the CAT exam, where you have 66 questions, a little bit of the drop in the number of questions, but a sharper drop in the time. We have 66 questions in 2 hours, and a few more restrictions like you have section time limits. It has to be 40, 40, 40, and in this order. But then what is blitz chess? That's similar to the SNAP exam. 60 questions in 60 minutes, and you need to do it super fast to get through or to get calls from the top B schools. Now, the grandmasters will be good at all of these different chess variants, but each of them will have a favorite type, or they'll be really good at one type or maybe a couple of types. And that is the same for you and me. All you need to do is do well in one of these exams, because CAT, XAT, SNAP, NMAT, all of these exams can get you to the top 20 B schools and definitely to the top 50 B schools. And in these B schools, you have 100% placements and an average starting salary of anywhere from 12 to 34 lakhs per year. And even better news, there's one key way in which chess and the CAT exam or the MBA entrance exams are very different. Now, when we are playing chess, it's a zero-sum game. You win only if you defeat the other person. But if you look around and see all of the people at your CAT center, you're not trying to defeat them. Yes, we want to be in the top 1% or 0.1% or 5% or whatever it is, right? And yes, we want to get a high score. But it's not about defeating one person. Think of it this way. If I look at just the top 10 B schools, so take IMA with 450 seats, Bangalore with 600 seats, Calcutta with another 400 odd seats. So if I just take an average of 400, the top 10 B schools, you have 4,000 seats or probably more. But it's not that you have to be in the top 4,000 to get calls for these B schools, right? Each of these B schools is going to call anywhere from 3.6x to 10x or even more, right? So that means if I just take a 5x, right? For 4,000 seats, they're calling about 20,000 people. Now, say your worst fears have come true and there's 4 lakh people that have registered for CAT 2024 and all 4 lakh of them are going in and giving this exam with prep. You still need to only be in the top 20,000, and that's for the top 10 B schools. If we start considering the top 20, 25, 40, 50 and all, it's going to be much, much more, and that is across multiple exams. Now, 20,000 out of 4 lakh, 5% might still seem like a steep number for you. But just think of the people who are preparing for UPSC, for government exams, where you have lakhs of people taking the exam for less than 1,000 seats. So you are in a much better position than a lot of people. So stop stressing, get off YouTube, jump onto mockcat.com and give it your best shot and do your best in CAT 2024, in XAT 2025, SNAP, NMAT, all of these exams. And if you found this example interesting or motivational, then stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'm going to be talking about cricket.